Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and order groceries through Instacart? This is going to be the only video that you'll... First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and go ahead and search for Instacart. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the first link right over here and make sure that you're logged in into your account. I already made a video on how you can simply go ahead and sign up for that. And now if you want to simply go ahead and get your groceries, you can simply go ahead and click on retail right over here, and you can just look around, or you could also go to convenience or grocery right over here. So as you can see, you can choose anything that you want to. So milk, egg, cake, anything that you have on mind, it's just available. As you can see, you can just add to cart, and once you go ahead and add to cart, for example, I'm gonna add one that, and then maybe strawberries, maybe some avocados, maybe some blueberries, maybe some sour cream, and maybe some let's say chicken breast. Okay, why not? And if I want to simply go ahead and check out, I'm gonna click on the cart, and now simply go ahead and click on go to checkout, and that is about it. Now all I need to do is simply go ahead and add my payment details, and it will be delivered right at my doorstep. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.